Mercury's Active Trim takes the guesswork out of your trim position and lets you focus on what's important, enjoying the water. Today we will show you how to set up your Active Trim. To start, turn the ignition key switch to the on position. Do not start the engine. Use the remote control handle trim switch to establish the full trim and tilt range in the Active Trim module. Trim the engine or stern drive to the full down position and hold the switch for 5 seconds after the engine or stern drive reaches that position. Trim the engine or stern drive to the full up or trailer position and continue to hold the trim up switch for 5 seconds after the engine reaches that position. Then return the engine or stern drive to the down position before starting the engine. Start the engine and observe the keypad. Flashing amber lights on the vertical LED trim display indicate that the Active Trim system is in the setup mode and ready for activation. If the amber lights are not flashing, press the Active Trim button to initiate setup mode. Operate the vessel in open, navigable water. Accelerate until the vessel is on plane and cruising at the approximate desired speed. A comfortable cruising speed for most applications is typically achieved between 30 and 40 miles per hour. Please remember that RPM will increase as the engine is trimmed out. Momentarily press the keypad up arrow or down arrow to adjust the trim profile to the most efficient running attitude. The number of flashing lights will increase or decrease accordingly. The topmost flashing light indicates the major profile is currently selected. As a general rule, increase the major profile level until the boat begins to porpoise, then decrease one level. Simultaneously press and release the up arrow and down arrow to capture the most efficient running attitude and retain the optimum trim profile in the Active Trim system's memory. The amber lights on the vertical LED trim display will stop flashing, and the display will move to the center profile position or level 3. The Active Trim is now ready to use.